Hello everyone. Is your orchid suffering from root damage and becoming weak? With just an egg and a banana, I'll show you a simple natural way to help it recover, encourage new root growth, and become healthy again. Watch the full video to see the results of this easy method. As you can see, the orchid is growing slowly, and the leaves are wrinkled. Oh, the root system is dry and damaged. Now I will carefully remove the unhealthy parts, including the old root ball and any burned or dead roots.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
Removing old, rotten roots eliminates disease sources, prevents fungal spread, and allows healthy new roots to grow, helping the orchid recover faster.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
We need to carefully clean the orchid, removing any harmful mold and debris from the base and leaves. After cleaning, we need to let the plant dry in a well-ventilated place before replanting. While waiting for the orchid to dry, I start preparing a new pot for planting. I also clean the planting pot thoroughly to prevent pests and fungi from spreading to the new orchid. I plant the orchid using clean, well-checked pine bark. Pine bark provides good airflow, excellent drainage, and helps prevent root rot while still retaining enough moisture for healthy root growth. Allowing the orchid to dry after treatment helps the cut surfaces callus over, reducing the risk of fungal and bacterial infection and preventing root rot. This creates a safer condition for the plant to recover and develop new roots.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
After planting, I start preparing the egg and banana mixture to water and care for the orchid. I blend banana and egg with water to create a nutrient-rich solution, allowing beneficial compounds to dissolve and be easily absorbed by the plant. Blended egg and ripe banana provide organic nutrients that can support root development, help weak plants recover, and promote healthier, greener orchid growth. I use half of the solution to water the plant right away and save the rest for the next round of care.
watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
After 1 month, the orchid has recovered and is growing well again, with new roots and healthy green leaves. At this stage, I use the remaining banana and egg solution to continue caring for the plant. I dilute the egg and banana extract with water, then soak the orchid pot for about 30 minutes and water evenly. This helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.